Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner P30 Review. Best cordless stick vacuum for home cleaning. If you want a lightweight cordless vacuum for quick, everyday cleaning, the Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner P30 looks impressive on paper. But is it actually a good choice for your home? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The P30 delivers up to 22,000 pascals of maximum suction and 50 air watts in turbo mode, powered by a high-speed motor rated at up to 110,000 APKs. It also uses a 5-stage filtration system and single-cone cyclone separation to help capture fine dust. One of its biggest advantages is the lightweight design. The main unit weighs just 860 grams, while the complete vacuum is around 1.46 kilograms. That makes it convenient for cleaning floors, furniture, curtains, and other harder-to-reach areas. Battery life is rated at up to 40 minutes in eco mode, but turbo mode drops that to around 10 minutes. So for normal everyday cleaning, eco mode is the practical option, while turbo is better reserved for tougher messes. The 30 pesos comes with 2 main cleaning attachments, including a brush bar and a 2-in-1 crevice brush. It also uses USB-C charging, which is convenient, and the filters can be removed for maintenance. However, there are some compromises. The maximum runtime depends heavily on the cleaning mode, and the compact design means you don't get the larger dust capacity and extensive accessories found on more premium cordless vacuums. So, who should buy it? The 30 pesos makes sense for people who want something lightweight, compact, and easy to use for everyday cleaning, apartments, furniture, and quick messes. But if you have a large home, need long turbo cleaning sessions, or want more advanced features, a higher-end cordless vacuum may be a better investment. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the Xiaomi P30.